everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create an account on Discord using your mobile phone. So first, let's head over to the Discord app. From here, just click on register. So you can either register with a phone or an email. Just press next. So now Discord has generated a username for you, but you can change it on the username that you want to use. Next is just input a password, then press next. Next is just input the date of birth. And just a reminder that Discord is also strict when it comes to age, so make sure that you are already 18 years old and above when you register an account on Discord. Just press confirm. Then now you can now create an account. Just confirm. Now Discord may ask you to go through this process. Just verify. Next is you can skip this process. And that's pretty much it. You have now successfully created a Discord account. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you on how you can easily create a Discord account using your mobile phone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!